Cire Trudon is a French candle maker and the oldest wax-producing factory in the world. Founded in 1643 by Claude Trudon, it was the provider of the court of Louis XIV, as well as many of the great churches of France. Cire Trudon was the biggest wax-producing factory in the French kingdom during the 17th and 18th centuries. Such a level of quality led to King Louis XIV elevating Charles Trudon into French nobility as Count Trudon d'Aumez. In 1643, a salesman named Claude Trudon arrived in Paris and soon became the owner of a shop which provided its customers with wax and candles. The candles were homemade, but after developing and building on his own specific manufacturing process, Trudon established his first family-owned factory. Claude's son Jacques took over, becoming a grocer and wax producer, and joined the Versailles royal court in 1687 as an apothecary to the Queen. Carefully collected from beehives, the wax was bleached through a series of pure water baths that washed off all the impurities. It was then dried in the open air and whitened by sunlight. In 1737, Hérome Trudon, heir of the family, purchased one of the most famous wax-producing factories of the time. More than 100 people worked at the time in a very large building, now registered in the French Inventory of Historical Monuments. Its Latin motto and its blazon are engraved on a stone board of the factory, a depiction of hives and bees bordered by the saying, "They work for God and for the King." Cire Trudon supplied the Versailles castle with candles until the end of the monarchy. Cire Trudon still keeps archives of recipes and the old tools used. The moulds used to form candles bearing the royal blazon still remain. Cire Trudon still today provides candles to many churches. The brand was successfully relaunched in 2006, distributing its products in France and abroad.